Okie dokie guys, so if you've bought a lock, this is how you're going to change it. This screw here, see that star? Phillips screwdriver. Take the screw out. Okie dokie, keep the screw in your pocket, don't drop the screw. Okay, if you try and pull this out now, it won't move out. So you turn the key to 90 like that, probably just a tiny bit so it comes out. So if you can see now, you had to, if you just have the key like that, can you see that black mushroom sticking out there? You have to have the key like that. So when you put your new lock in, you look on the new lock, see where it says external, that goes on the outside. So you turn your key slightly that way. See how now it's moved over? You push it through the cylinder halfway, give it a little wiggle, you get your screw, and just take your time. Just take your time. It should self-locate, which it has done. Don't over tighten them. Just hand tight, okay, and then lift your handle up. Just check it's locking. And that's locking perfect. And there you go. You've now got an anti-snap barrel fitted. Remember, they come out that way. Right, that's it. Cheers. How you doing, guys? Okay, so thanks a lot for coming on to the YouTube channel. I'm just going to give a little brief description of why the anti-snap lock is so good and the benefits of it. So for a long time here in the UK, 99% of double glazing companies and locksmiths would change this sort of lock. This is called a Euro lock or Euro cylinder. Okay, you know, you probably find them in around about 80% of UK homes. They are the burglar's best friend. They're super easy to get into. You can get into one with a pair of pliers or mole grips. And what they do, they rip the door handles off. They put the mole grips on the front of the lock and they snap the lock. And then basically, as soon as the barrel's snapped, they're straight into your home. They pull the handle down and they're straight into your home. We're moving on from these sort of locks. You know, we know that they're not very good at securing a home, no matter how good the door is. Upvc, composite or steel. If it's got a Euro cylinder lock like that, I could get into your home in about 2 minutes. So we're now selling these locks. Have a look. They're Yale 3-star. They're anti-snap, anti-pick and anti-bump. So if you look at the difference between that key and that key, you can see that these are a lot more secure. Now the idea is, if a burglar comes along, puts mole grips on the front, when you snap that lock, it'd just fall apart, wouldn't it? If you have a look at that, it's designed to fall apart. So when the front comes off, they can't undo the lock. They can't pull the handle down still. It stays in the lock position. And you would only be able to unlock that door from the inside with your master key. But from the outside, when they snap it, the locking mechanism still won't work. You still won't be able to access the cams. They're really, really good locks. As you can see, Yale stand by them and we stand by them as well. They're easy to change. There is a guide along with this video on how to do it. Any DIY can do it with a Phillips screwdriver in around about 5 minutes. So to protect your home, you know, I think we're selling them for £20 on eBay delivered. £20 gives you total peace of mind, a job that you can do yourself without getting a locksmith. You know, I think it's a fantastic deal. And it's the best way that I can think of securing your home. I've been in the double glazing industry 30 years, and these are one of the best innovations that I've seen. So fair play to Yale, and fair play to you if you bought one off our store, because you've just made your home a lot more burglar proof. Okay guys, cheers.